A triaxial test was conducted on a well-drained sand sample. The normal stress at failure plane is 89 kilopascals. The shear stress at failure plane is 54 kilopascals. So, concept muna tayo, no? If this is the soil sample, merong dalawang direction ng stresses. Una, meron tayong kinakaon na cell pressure, and usually it is denoted as sigma 3. Cell pressure yan, or water pressure, liquid pressure, nakapalibot sa soil. So, actually, merong dinadagdag na tangential or deviator stress. Deviator stress yung tawag yan, binagdag. So, pag dagdag ng deviator stress dyan, ang soil will fail at an angle. From Forzota. Ito yung failure. O kung itat natin dyan, ito yung tinatawag na shear at failure plane, and merong normal stress at failure plane. Itong dalawa. Kung ipa-plot kasi natin yan sa Mohr circle, it is all about triaxial test. Triaxial test refers to Mohr circle analysis, no? Okay. Sa Mohr circle, meron tayong sigma 3. That's the minimum principal stress. And meron tayong sigma D, just the deviator stress or plunger stress. And sigma 1 po siya from 0 to the. Dito yung Mohr circle. You must remember the setup na lang, no? Meaning yung sigma 3 plus sigma D is sigma 1. Sigma D is the diameter of the Mohr circle, and radius of the Mohr circle is half of sigma D. This is the failure envelope. From 0 to the tangent flight. Failure envelope yung tawag dyan. Then from point of tangency to the center, that's still the radius of the Mohr circle. Ito be perpendicular at the point of tangency, and ito yung angle of internal friction. Ito yung stress sa failure. Normal stress at failure plane, 89. Shear stress at failure plane along the vertical axis naman, you have 54 kilopascal. Ibig sabihin, pag sinabing angle of internal friction of the sun, you may just consider this right triangle. Kasi given yung opposite, given yung adjacent, therefore, tangent of phi equals to tau f over sigma f. Now, 54 over 89 is 31.247. Ano naman ang kaibahan ng angle at failure plane? Ang angle at failure plane is the angle. That's not equal to phi. Angle phi is angle of internal friction. Ang angle of failure plane, if you are to look at the Mohr circle, this is 2 theta. This is the failure plane. Ito yung failure plane natin. Central angle, inscribed angle relation of circle. That's 2 theta. This is theta. Ito, intercepted by the central angle. Similar arc intercepted by inscribed angle. So that's 2 theta. This is theta. Okay, so abanting ko tong omega. Geometry lang to. Ang omega dyan, considering first this right triangle, ito right triangle yan. Diba? Phi at omega are complementary numbers kasi right triangle. Meaning, ang omega is 90 degrees minus phi. Pero ang omega naman, considering this straight line, you have here omega plus 2 theta equals 180. But when omega is 90 minus phi, that's 90 minus phi, diba, kapag i-transpose mo yung 90, 180 minus 90, that's because 90. Okay? Then, transpose mo yung negative phi sa kabila, magiging cos E. So, meaning you can have this relation. Theta is 45, kasi divide lang to natin to both sides. 90 over 2 is 45 plus phi over 2. That's the relation where theta is the angle of failure plane and phi is the angle of internal friction. With phi equals of 31.247, then you can have here the angle of failure plane equals to 60.623. Determine the maximum normal stress at failure. Maximum normal stress at failure, it's referring to sigma 1. Okay? So, klaro, as you can see that sigma 1, maraming ways. Pwede mong kunin sigma 3 plus sigma D. Maraming paraan. Again, but I will just use the concept, no? Una, consider ko muna to. This part. Right triangle. Ito, ilabas ko. Ito. Yung phi. Ito is 89. Ito is 54. Diba? I can solve for that Z. Tawagin ko Z. Ay, isasay na natin. Makikita niyo yung way ko dito. Square root of 89 squared plus 54 squared from Pythagorean theorem. Again, ito muna yung kinuha ko. And 104.101. Then after ko makuha yung class, I can now consider this right triangle. Give ito yung right angle ha. Hawagin ko tong C. This runs to the center of the north circle. Di ba, we can solve R and C using that right triangle. Na say we have this, we have the angle, na solvable yan. On makuha ko yan, makuha ko rin yung R, which is also equal to this R. Therefore, sigma 1 is C plus R. Okay, with this triangle, I can have tangent of phi equals to opposite, yung opposite side, R, adjacent side is 104.121. Ang kukuha mo si R. Ito solve for C, then I can use cosine. Cosine of phi equals to adjacent side over hypotenuse. Ring nota, ito yung hypotenuse natin. It is always opposite to the 90-degree angle. You have the value of C. The maximum normal stress at failure will be C plus R. Okay, C, R, you have 184.93 or 184.9.